Can you believe Durga Puja is just around the corner and this is that magical time of the year जब हमारा दिल इतना ज़्यादा खुश होता है और हम बस ये सोचते हैं कि कब हम फेस्टिवल को enjoy करेंगे. And I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to share a special glow up routine of mine before Durga Puja, and I'm going to share a lot of DIYs for your skin, hair and body, which I think you are going to love. So let's get started. Let's kick things off by showing our skin some love. I always start my routine with a good cleanser using a gentle cleanser to wash away any impurities. After that, I always love to shape my own eyebrows at home. और मुझे लगता है आपके पास अगर इस टाइप का फेशियल रेज़र हो तो आप बहुत आसानी से ही अपने घर पे इसे कर सकते हो. इससे पहले मैंने बहुत बार किया है और हर बार मेरी ग्लो अप रूटीन की ये पार्ट ज़रूर होती है. And then I treat my skin with a homemade face mask made with yogurt and neem powder. Both of these ingredient is superhero ingredient. Neem has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and yogurt is awesome ingredient to give moisturization to your skin and let your skin soak in all the goodness. Just look at how amazing my skin feels after using this mask. But you know, our glow up journey doesn't stop here. I decided to take things a step further by opting for laser hair removal for my body. किसे नहीं पसंद है बिल्कुल hair free smooth skin और वो भी permanently, है ना? Now you might be wondering, is laser hair removal is the right choice for me? There are plenty of reasons why it's worth considering. सबसे पहले तो आपकी स्किन बहुत longer time तक hair free रहती है. In this way, it saves your money, time and effort in the long run. और इसी के साथ साथ ये specifically hair cells को target करता है without harming the surrounding skin. And if your skin is sensitive or if you have ingrown hair problem, then laser hair removal process is going to be a game changer for you. When I decided to give a laser hair removal a shot, I did my own research, and that's when I stumbled upon makeO laser hair reduction. I heard lot of good reviews about it and I decided to go for it. makeO laser hair reduction offers long-lasting results, much better alternative than waxing and shaving in just 6 to 8 sessions. It will reduce your hair growth by 90% permanently. And guess what? You can do this right in the comfort of your home. No need for monthly parlor visits. What I really liked was makeO ice cool technology, making whole process painless. It's a permanent pain-free solution. Reduction up to 90% of your unwanted hair growth. Perfect for those of us who are always on the go. Of course, अगर आप अपॉइंटमेंट लेना चाहते हो तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. makeO has got your covered with their service available all across India. You can visit their experience center and get a trial session for free. So this Durga Puja, get a complete makeover with makeO's laser hair reduction. Visit their website and book an at-home trial session at just 99 rupees. और ये आपको जल्दी करना है क्योंकि 99 rupees की ये जो ऑफर है बहुत ही लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए है और सिर्फ मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए है. So डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको इसकी लिंक मिल जाएगी. फेस मास्क को वॉश ऑफ करने के बाद आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू अप्लाई एलोवेरा जेल टू माई स्किन टू सूद माई स्किन, और इसी के साथ 2 कॉटन पैड में रोज़ वाटर स्प्रे करके आँखों के ऊपर रखती हूँ. इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिलैक्सेशन फील होता है. फेस मास्क की जो रेसिड्यू है उसे आपको वेस्ट नहीं करना है. उसे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो अपने बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में जहाँ पर आपको फील होती है कि थोड़ी सी स्क्रबिंग की ज़रूरत है. Now our hair deserves some love too, right? I got a nourishing hair mask recipe for you. All you need a flaxseed gel and yogurt. Mix this together and apply it all over your hair. Leave it for 30 minutes and voila, your hair will thank you. After all this DIY, don't forget to moisturize your skin with a lightweight moisturizer, and for makeup, keep it simple and festive. I think a little touch of kohl and swipe your favorite lipstick and you are set to shine for this festive season. One more thing, your glow up is not just about what's on the outside. Take some time for self-reflection, meditation and gratitude. Embrace your inner beauty and confidence. Let it shine during Durga Puja and beyond. If you want forever hair free skin like me, do check out makeO's website. आप सबके लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं लिंक कर दूंगी और उसी लिंक पे क्लिक करके यू कैन बुक योर फर्स्ट लेजर ट्रायल सेशन एट जस्ट 99 रुपीज। और ये जो ऑफर है लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए है, सो हरी अप। And there you have it, my glow up routine before Durga Puja, packed with lot of DIY beauty recipes for your skin and hair. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty and lifestyle inspirations. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay confident and beautiful. Bye bye.